Now the question is asking you to calculate the integral value of this part. Is it okay? Integration of this function is what is the question asking you. So what do we do? This is nothing but tan x divided by secant x plus tan x. What we'll do? We'll multiply and divide by secant x minus tan x, secant x minus tan x and secant x minus tan x, correct or not? Secant x minus tan x. So this is dx. So I can say I is equal to integration of secant x into tan x, secant x into tan x minus of tan squared x divided by secant squared x minus tan squared x, right or not? Secant squared x minus tan squared x. So times dx. So I is equal to integral of secant x into tan x minus of tan squared x can be written as secant squared x minus 1, secant squared x minus tan squared x is 1. All this is happening because of the trigonometric identity 1 plus tan squared x is nothing but what is it? Secant squared x times dx, right or not? So I is equal to integration of secant x into tan x is nothing but secant x, integration of secant squared x is nothing but tan x and plus x plus c. This will be the answer to the question. Is it okay?